India is the land of breads. Indians kind of live on their breads. Hence, there are hell lot many varieties. Some of them are roti, puri, naan, dosa, bhatura, appam, kachori, plain and stuffed paratha, and the list goes on. Today I'm going to be sharing the recipe of stuffed paratha with you. Now the stuffings are also of numerous types. Today I'm going to be using green pea as my stuffing, known as Matar paratha. Let's begin with the recipe. Hello everyone, this is Soumya and welcome back to Dash of Delight. I'm going to start off with making the stuffing. In 1 tablespoon of oil, cook some chopped garlic, cumin seeds, grated ginger and green chilies. You can check all the ingredients in detail in the description below. Saute them for 7-8 seconds and once they change the color to brownish, add 1.5 cups of green peas. Fresh or frozen, both would work fine. Mix everything together and saute for few minutes. Make sure to keep the gas flame at medium to high at this step. Now guys, I forgot to add asafoetida. Ideally, I should have added it in the oil, but no worries, I'm going to add it now. Well, asafoetida is optional for you. You can skip it if you want. Asafoetida is also called as hing. Now let's add in some spices. Half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, and half teaspoon of red mango powder. Also add in some salt here. Now the dry mango powder is optional. If you want, you can add chaat masala instead of it. That's absolutely up to you. Mix everything together on high flame, then add around half a glass of water to it. Be careful, do not add too less or too much water. Half a glass of water for 1.5 cups of peas is perfect. Then simmer the gas, place the lid and let it cook for 15 minutes. Then after 15 minutes, the peas will be all cooked and softened as required. Now switch off the gas and let it cool down. Once cooled, grind it coarsely. You can use your food processor or manual chopper, anything you like. But make sure not to blend it into fine paste. Just make it coarse. So let me show you. This is how it is supposed to be. Now add in handful of chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. Mix it well and keep it aside. Now let's quickly prepare the dough for our parathas. I've taken 2 scoops or 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour. This is not the all-purpose or refined flour guys. This is whole wheat flour. This one's much more healthier than the refined one. Add a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of oil to it. Now, I'm gonna add these carom seeds to the flour. They give very nice flavor to the paratha. This is known as Ajwain, Vamu or Omam in India. This looks like shorter form of caraway seeds, but if in case you don't find them, you can skip it, not a problem. Now mix it thoroughly with your hands. Mix all the dry ingredients before adding any water. Now start adding water in batches and knead the dough. This process will take around 2-3 minutes. Once it comes together and reaches this stage, cover and let it rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open and give couple of more punches to the dough and it'll be ready. Take out a small ball out of the dough around the size of a golf ball, dust it in some dry flour and start rolling it. Once it's big enough to accommodate your palm, pick it up and start stuffing it with the peas mixture we just prepared. Fill in around 2 teaspoons of mixture, then lock and seal it so that there is no leakage. In order to seal it properly, pinch it in the middle. Then take one edge, stick it to the other and keep on doing this until the stuffing is completely sealed inside the dough ball. Then dust it in dry flour and start rolling it out into nice and round paratha. Roll it with light hands without putting much pressure as the stuffing might come out if you will put pressure while rolling. Then immediately place it on hot pan or a tawa. Let it cook from bottom first, then in around 10 seconds flip it over and apply few drops of oil. Spread it evenly with a spoon or a brush. I find spoon an easier option as it has less friction on the paratha. Now flip it over to the other side and apply oil this side also. Press and cook the paratha until the outer covering becomes nice and crispy. Keep the flame at low to medium at this stage and press and roast the paratha for 3-4 minutes until crispy. Similarly, I'm gonna make all my parathas. Just a tip here guys, if possible, please do not use non-stick pan here. Try to use a good cast iron or iron pan or tawa like me, as the Teflon coating used in non-stick pans could release some unhealthy fumes while roasting parathas for long, which is obviously not good for our health. Enjoy these yummy hot parathas with yogurt, pickle or any dip of your choice. So guys, if you like the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to Dash of Delight for more such interesting vegetarian and vegan recipes. See you soon. Bye bye.